Ever felt overwhelmed by too much stuff, too many commitments, or just the sheer pace of modern life? What if true freedom wasn't about acquiring more, but about consciously choosing less? Welcome to a journey into the art of minimalist living. Today, we'll explore how embracing minimalism can declutter not just your home, but your mind and schedule, creating a life rich in purpose, not possessions. Minimalism isn't about deprivation, it's about intentionality. It's the deliberate decision to live with only the things you truly need and value, making space for what truly matters. Think beyond decluttering your closet, it's about curating your entire life. Instead of mindlessly accumulating, you thoughtfully select items that serve a purpose or bring genuine joy, transforming your relationship with your possessions from one of obligation to one of empowerment. The profound benefits are truly transformative. Imagine less stress from endless upkeep, more financial freedom as you spend consciously, and a clearer mind to pursue passions. Studies have even shown that decluttering can significantly reduce cortisol levels, leading to a calmer, more focused existence. With fewer distractions, you reclaim your time and energy, directing it towards experiences, relationships, and personal growth, rather than the relentless pursuit of more stuff. So, how do you start? Begin small. Ask yourself with each item, does this add value to my life, or does this spark joy? The one in, one out rule for new purchases is a great starting point. Remember, it's a journey, not a destination, tailored to your unique life. Fun fact, while the average American household contains over 300,000 items, many minimalists thrive with just a fraction, proving quality over quantity truly enhances daily living. Ultimately, minimalist living is a powerful tool for discovering what genuinely fulfills you. It's about creating space, physical, mental, and emotional, to live more purposefully, joyfully, and authentically. It's an art form where you are the curator of your own meaningful existence. If you're ready to embrace less and live more, hit that like button. Share your biggest minimalist win in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights on living a more intentional life.